Picked up my snowboards from St. Bernard's yesterday. I brought them upstairs and put them in my thing today just now, but man, I am so sore from yesterday. It's actually insane. My legs hurt. My traps hurt for some reason. I don't know why. But yeah, I am very glad I did the Buda Marathon, because last night we went out with my coworkers for the Christmas party and stayed out till like 1 a.m. And I think if I did the San Antonio Marathon, which is today, I would have been so screwed after drinking and then having to be there. Like in San Antonio, it's like 2 hours away. Also, not to mention that the San Antonio marathon was like 5 times the price of the one I just did yesterday. So it kind of made sense to do the one yesterday. It was like perfect. But yeah, things I would do different. Train. I think if I trained, I would have been able to run more than 8.5 miles. But I'm impressed with how I did it. But there are talks with Tegan and Jimmy and Josh about doing another marathon, but this time I would actually try it or train for it, and we'll see if we actually do it next year. So I think I'm gonna do some stretching today, as it's kind of like a recovery day, hopefully. Yeah, I'm gonna do some stretching, some laundry, do some editing, and I think that's it for the day. Till later. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with. If you want peace, go and throw up the